What if I told you that one metal, silently powering the steel industry and the electric vehicle revolution, could be your gateway to building a multi-crore manufacturing empire? Electrolytic Manganese Metal, EMM, is not a small trading business. It is a strategic industrial opportunity connected directly to steel production, battery technology, and global exports. While most entrepreneurs chase crowded low-investment ideas, serious wealth is built in foundational industries. And EMM is one of them. If you are thinking long-term, scalable, export-driven, and high-value manufacturing, pay close attention. Let's talk numbers. Globally, the manganese market is valued at over $25 billion, and electrolytic manganese metal demand is rising steadily due to steel and battery-grade applications. The EMM market is expected to grow at around 5 to 6% annualized return over the next decade. Over 90% of manganese consumption goes into steel manufacturing. Every ton of steel requires manganese for strength and durability. With global steel production crossing 1.8 billion metric tons annually, demand is not disappearing. But here's the bigger opportunity: the EV battery industry. High-purity manganese is increasingly used in lithium-ion batteries, especially in NMC, nickel-manganese-cobalt chemistry. As EV adoption accelerates worldwide, manganese demand is projected to grow significantly in battery-grade applications. China currently dominates EMM production. However, supply diversification is becoming a global priority. This opens a strategic opportunity for Indian manufacturers to step in and serve global markets. India has significant manganese ore reserves, ranking among the top producers globally. Yet value-added EMM manufacturing is still underdeveloped compared to its potential. That gap is your opportunity. Globally, major EMM producers are based in China, including companies like CITIC Dameng and other large manganese refiners. In India, players such as MOL Limited and Tata Steel are major manganese ore producers, but large-scale EMM refining is still limited. This means the market is not open. Entry barriers exist: capital, technology, compliance. But that's exactly why competition is limited, and margins can be attractive for serious players. This is not a beginner's garage startup. This is an industrial wealth-building opportunity. Let's be brutally practical. Why MM over other manufacturing businesses? First, foundational demand. Steel and batteries are not trends. They are economic pillars. Second, export orientation. EMM has strong global demand, especially where supply chains are diversifying away from single-country dependence. Third, scalability. You can start with a moderate capacity and expand. Industrial plants are designed for expansion. Fourth, price leverage. Industrial metals move in commodity cycles. Smart operators make significant profits during upcycles. Fifth, strategic relevance. As the world moves toward electrification and infrastructure expansion, manganese demand is not declining, it is evolving. If your goal is to build a small local business, this is not for you. If your goal is to build an industrial asset that can generate multi-crore turnover, this deserves serious consideration. India has strong manganese ore availability in states like Odisha, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. EMM is used in stainless steel production, alloy manufacturing, aluminum alloys, lithium-ion EV batteries, chemical applications. Export markets include Europe, South Korea, Japan, and the United States, all seeking diversified supply sources. With proper quality standards and certifications, Indian manufacturers can capture international buyers looking beyond China-dominated supply chains. The Indian government is aggressively promoting advanced manufacturing under initiatives like Make in India and Production Link Incentive schemes, especially in battery and EV supply chains. MSME benefits, state-level industrial subsidies, capital subsidies, electricity duty exemptions, and export incentives can significantly reduce project cost. Battery and EV ecosystem expansion further strengthens manganese demand, indirectly supporting EMM manufacturers. Serious entrepreneurs leverage policy support. They don't ignore it.